symbol of authority, but a reminder that leadership is rooted in integrity, accountability, and service to the people. Let this ceremony serve as a reminder that learning does not end here. Graduation is not a finish line, but a stepping stone toward continuous growth, excellence, and ethical leadership in law enforcement. Once again, congratulations to our newly appointed police non-commissioned officer in service to God, country, and people. May you act with courage, lead with humility, and always remain faithful to your oath and to the people you have sworn to protect. To God be all the glory. Welcome and thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for that very warm welcome. We now come to the presentation of candidates for graduation. We would like to request the Acting Chief Regional Learning and Doctoral Development Division, Police Colonel Bogart B. Arao.
To our North Star General, the author of the NCRPO 5 Guiding Principle, our Regional Director, Police Major General Anthony Abellada Abirin. By virtue of the authority vested in me and in my capacity as the Acting Chief, Regional Learning and Doctrine Development Division NCRPO, I have the honor to present to you the 1089 newly appointed Police Non-Commissioned Officers Class 2024-03 Mandasik, Mandalik Silas, Sidlak Hiraya, San Maliksik Lahi, NCRPO na plus! Who successfully completed the program of instruction and training requirements ready for graduation, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. And to formally declare the graduation, we would like to request Police Colonel Erwin T. Daya, Training Manager of the Regional Special Training Unit, NCR.
Declaration of Graduates. To Police Major General Anthony Abellada Abirin, the Regional Director and NCRPO. By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Acting Director, PNPTS, Police Brigadier General Aligre Lamsen Martinez, and in my capacity as the Training Manager, RSTU NCR, I hereby declare the 1,089 members of newly appointed Police Non-Commissioned Officers, NAP NCO, classes Mandalik Silas, Mandasik, Sidlak Hiraya, and Sinmaliksik Lahi, graduates, effective date. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir. And once again, congratulations to our graduates. Before the donning of the PNP badge, we would like to again request our Regional Pastoral Officer, Police Colonel Ilagan, for the blessing of PNP badge and other paraphernalia. Thank you very much, sir. We now come to the symbolic donning of PNP badge. We would like to request our keynote speaker, Police Major General Anthony Abirin, and the other senior officers to please do the honors. We would also like to request the 5 representatives from the class to proceed to the stage. Thank you very much, sirs. To the FTOs, families, and loved ones of our graduates, you may now proceed downstage to assist them in donning their PNP badge. Para po sa mga FTOs, kamag-anak at mahal sa buhay ng ating mga graduates, bibigyan po kayo ng 5 minutes. Maaari na po kayong bumaba at i-assist sila sa pagsuot ng kanilang PNP badge. Maraming salamat po. Sirs and ma'am, last 3 minutes. Sa ating mga parents, sergeants and loved ones, mayroon na lamang po kayong 2 minuto para i-assist sa ating mga graduates sa magsuot ng kanilang PNP badge. Muli po sa ating mga parents, guardians, and loved ones ng ating mga graduates, meron na naman po kayong 2 minuto para i-assist sila sa pag-pin ng kanilang PNP badge. Maraming salamat po.
Ito, sir. Sir. Sir, live tayo ngayon sa tambay ng pulis na talaga namang sinusuportahan ang Able Active Ally. Sir, ano ang payo mo ngayon sa ating mga parents na suportahan ng panuntunan ng PNP? Siyempre, ganun din sa ating mga bagong graduate, sir.
Of course, unang-una gusto kong i-congratulate yung mga bagong graduates na new members ng PNP and CRPO, and at the same time, yung kanilang mga mahal sa buhay. Ang may papayo lang natin sa kanila ay sana palagi silang maging tapat sa kanilang mga sinumpaang tungkulin at palaging isipin at isa puso ang palagi nating sinasabi sa kanila, yung 5 guiding principles natin. Yung, of course, yung pag-observe ng basic, yung pag-observe ng police operational procedure sa lahat ng law enforcement operations natin, yung non-involvement sa illegal activities, yung doing what is right, at saka yung staying close to God. Kasi naniniwala kami dito sa NCRPO that by following those 5 guiding principles ay hindi po tayo mawawala. Lalong-lalo na po yung observance po ng basic at saka yung sa police operational procedure. Dahil alam naman natin na yung police operational procedure, yun ang biblia ng isang pulis, at yun ang makakasama natin hanggang sa tayo ay mag-retire, yun po ang susundan natin sa lahat po ng trabaho na gagawin natin bilang isang membro ng PNP.
Sir, yung mga gagraduate ba, sir? Ay, yung mga graduate ba, sir? Isa sa ilalagay din natin itong nalalapit na Nazareno, sir?
Of course, i-deploy po natin sila dahil full-fledged police officers na po sila at hingi po tayo ng mga volunteers na Nazareno, yung mga members po ng devotee po ng Nazareno para kasama po sila doon sa pag-secure mismo doon sa procession. Kasi ang aim po natin ay mas mapabilis po yung procession kasi the moment na mas mabilis po yung procession, yung risk po as may mapapaano po natin, mababawasan po natin yung risk na posibleng mangyari.
Sir, kasagsagan na ng holiday season, sir, baka naka-live tayo, baka may mensahe ka sa ating mga kapulisan na mas paigtingin yung presensya nila. At saka siyempre, huwag mahiya yung ating mga kapulisan na huwag mahiya yung ating mga kababayan na lumapit sa ating mga kapulisan kapag kinakailangan, sir.
Sa ating members, sa lahat po ng members po ng NCRPO, lalong-lalo na po sa mga nakadeploy po sa ating mga kalsada, lalo po tayong dapat maging alerto. Siguraduhin po natin na tayo po ay nararamdaman at nakikita at of course naririnig po ng ating mga kababayan na dapat handa po tayong rumisponde anytime kung may mga kababayan po tayo na nangangailangan. Sa atin pong mga kababayan na nangangailangan po ng tulong o responde, wag po kayong mag-atubiling lumapit sa pinakamalapit po na himpilan ng pulisya or sino pan po na nakikita niyong membro ng ating kapulisan nang sa gayon ay agad pong masolusyonan or marespondihan ang inyong problema na nangangailangan po ng kagadang solusyon o responde. At isang paalala pa po, sana po ay maging mapagmatsyag po sa ating paligid at agad po nating i-report ang mga kahinahinalang kilos. At mag-ingat din po, lalong-lalo na po sa pagbibiyahe. At yung ating mga gamit na mamahalin ay secure po natin dahil hindi po natin maiwasan o maalis na may mga kababayan pa rin po natin nananamantala sa mga pagkakataon.
Police Major General Abirin po ng NCRPO. Salamat po, sir. Thank you po, sir. So, yan po yung ating NCRPO Regional Director ng walang kundi si Police Major General Abirin Abirin. At tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung ating aktibidad para sa graduation nitong 2024-02. Ayan. Yun. Meron daw silang Christmas break. Okay. Yan.
Wait, masakyan yung mga labas natin, wait. Makabilisan mo muna. Balik sa ground.
Muli po sa mga parents, loved ones, and guardians po ng ating mga graduates, pagsibalik na po tayo sa ating mga upuan para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating programa. Maraming salamat po.
Ambitious! Tingnan ko ba? Lupa!
Doble eh. Sa ano? Sa opening.
Muli po, last
Opening.
warning po para po sa ating mga parents, guardians ng ating mga graduates. Magsibalik na po tayo sa ating mga upuan. Makipag-cooperate po tayo mga sir and ma'am. Yung mga nasa likod po, mga sir and ma'am, na mga parents and guardians, makikisuyo na lang po. Mag-proceed na po tayo dito sa ating mga upuan. Matong measurement.
Nakakonek ka rito?
To continue with our program for this morning is the reading of Badge of Honor,
Meron dito.
to be delivered by the Chief of Regional Personnel and Records Management Division, Police Colonel Percival R. Zurilia.
NCRPO.
Our newly appointed police commission officer, please listen carefully and internalize as I read the PNP Badge of Honor. Upon taking the oath and assumption to office, you are invested by the people and the law with authority as a law enforcer. The PNP badge now pinned on your left breast is a symbol of that legal authority. It is so placed near to your heart to remind you of the fidelity and dedication to duty expected of you as a public servant. You have been entrusted with the badge as a symbol of your worthiness as a police officer to serve and protect the people from whom derive the power and authority to enforce the laws of the land without fear or favor. We are to oversee the general welfare of the people and to ensure that peace and order is maintained at all times. You shall ever be mindful that the police is the protector of the weak, defender of the innocent, and advocate of human rights. At the center of your badge is the PNP seal, held bravely by our hero Lapu-Lapu, the first Filipino to defend our country against foreign invaders despite being inferiorly equipped. Inside the seal are the virtues of service, honor, and justice. They remind you to always render the highest form of public service for our fellow men. You are to serve the citizenry with a commitment of sacrifice and willingness to die in service of God, country, and people. Duty and honor now bind to you. Be faithful to the trust bestowed upon you by the people. Your badge reminds you to maintain the dignity of your character at all times and to strenuously enforce by example a steady obedience to the laws of the land. Exemplary conduct on your part will convince our people that you merit the just title and authority as you patrol the streets and walk your daily beat. Walk tall, head up, and bravely face the daily dangers of duty. Keep the badge solid and free of any breach of fidelity. By the regularity of your conduct, always endeavor to avoid any aspersion against our institution. You are to preserve our cherished customs and tradition and never countenance any deviation from them nor allow them to be infringed. Your dignity as a police officer, symbolized by the badge snapping on your heart, never swerve from your solemn oath of office, nor violate your vows or betray the public trust. You are a police officer. Wear your badge with honor.
Thank you very much, sir. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, is the distribution of certificates and presentation of awards. We would like to request our keynote speaker, Police Major General Anthony A. Abilin, to be assisted with the other senior officers. We would also like to request the awardees to proceed to the stage. Citation reads, for successfully completing the PSFTP field training exercises conducted by RSTU NCR in collaboration with RLTV NCRPO, certificate of completion is hereby awarded to Patrolman Carlos G. Garcia as representative of 1,089 other members of Mountain CO Class 2024-02. He will also receive the Leadership Award as the class marcher. Next up, Leadership Award is awarded to Patrolwoman Eva May T. Montecastro. For the Certificate of Excellence, the top one is awarded to Patrolwoman Meren Rose C. Amot. For being a top one, garnering an average score of 92.24%. Next up, for the top one of Mandalig Silas, Patrolman Kerwin Darrell E. Asto. Next up, for the top one of Siglak Hiraya, Patrolman Erickson J. Piano. And for the top one of San Maliksik Lahi, Patrolman Neil John C. Ramos. Thank you very much, sirs, and once again, congratulations to our awardees. Let's give them another round of applause. To our presenters, thank you very much, sirs. You may now be seated. And at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, let's now hear the guidance and message of our able, active, and allied Regional Director, Police Major General Anthony Abellada Abirin.
Thank you. Thank you. Kanina pa kayo sumisip-sip ah. Okay, give them zero break sana ang plano ko. But give them, ilan pa yung sinundan nila? 4 days? 4 days break. You cannot spend your Christmas with your family. Your break begins on Friday. To our CRS, soon to be Police Brigadier General Rodel Pastor, our R1 will issue the break order, Colonel Sorilla, Colonel Araw, our training officer, and of course Colonel Dayag, another training officer, sa lahat ng mga senior officers nandito, to their loved ones, mga nanay, tatay, asawa, anak, lolo, kabarangay, lola, and to the members of graduating class. Na pag-graduate pa lang, may nagpo-collapse. Graduate pa lang, may madi-dismiss na. Tama ba ako? May madi-dismiss sa kanila? We are sad to, of course, we are sad to tell you that a member of this graduating class is found positive of last na? Okay. We are sad to tell you na yung sinusundan nilang klase po ay may madi-dismiss po because of possible dismissal because of illegal drug use. So, of course, to these members of graduating class, I believe na sana walang mag-positive sa inyo ha. Okay lang na may positive sa mga kababaihan. Ibang positive yun, pero yung positive sa drug use, definitely you will be investigated and will be subjected to summary dismissal proceedings. Sa ating lahat, magandang umaga po. Today is a moment of pride for the NCRPO as we formally welcome 4 classes of newly appointed PNCOs into the service. To the graduates of class 2024-02, Dimandasi, Mandalig, Silas, Hidlang Hiraya, and San Maliksik Lahi, my sincere congratulations. Palakpakan po natin sila. You have completed a demanding process that tested your discipline, judgment, and commitment to public service. This ceremony is more than a conclusion to your training. It is transition into greater responsibility as police non-commissioned officers. You now hold positions that directly influence police operations, discipline, and public trust at the ground level. Your leadership will be measured not by rank alone, but by how you act, decide, and serve, especially in difficult situations. Sa NCRPO, malinaw ang direksyon ng pamumuno na inaasahan ko sa inyo. Ito ay napaloob sa AAA framework, the ABLE, Active, and Allied Policy. ABLE, patuloy ninyong linangin ang inyong kaalaman, kakayahan at tamang pag-iisip sa pagpapatupad ng batas. Ang mahusay na pulis ay handa, may alam, at marunong mag-isip bago kumilos. Number 2A is active, maging maagap at responsable sa pagtugon sa mga hamon ng seguridad, disiplina, alertness at tamang pagsunod sa proseso ang susi sa epektibong police service. At ang alay, laging tandaan ng kapayapaan ay hindi nakakamit ng mag-isa. Nakaugat ito sa tiwala at pakikipagtulungan ng komunidad, sa mga katuwang na ahensya at sa kapwa ninyo pulis. As you move forward, let me remind you that the uniform you wear carries expectations from the public. Every action you take, whether seen or unseen, adds to the credibility of the organization. Guard your name, protect the honor of the badge, and remain mindful that authority must always be exercised with responsibility. Allow me to share 5 reminders to guide you as you begin this new chapter of service. First, never lose sight of the basics. Honor, respect, and fairness must guide every decision. Always observe in all police operations. Ang pag sinabi nating basic, dapat you wear your uniform properly. You talk to the community properly with respect. At i-honor natin ang human rights ng bawat isa. You have learned these basics during the training. Always observe the basics. Do not do the shortcut. At hindi kayo mawawala. Number 2 of the guiding principles. Follow the police operational procedures at all times. POP exists to protect the public, the organization, and you as police officers. Ang police operational procedure ay ang ating Biblia. Yun ang mga kasama nyo hanggang sa kayo ay mag-retire dahil ang POP, nakapaloob lahat yun ang step by step na dapat gawin ng isang police officer sa kanyang trabaho. The POP is the compilation of laws. KDM operations, you can look at the POP. Implementation of search warrant, service of warrant of arrest, checkpoint operation, beat patrolling, mobile patrolling, at marami pang iba. You name it, and you will have it. Ma-amend lang tong POP kung yung batas ay may amendment. In the absence of amendment, yung POP yun ang susundin natin.
Kasi the moment na hindi natin sinunod yan, gumawa tayo, nag-shortcut tayo, diyan tayo nagkakaproblema. History will show, mostly na nagpa-viral ngayon, ay yung mga hindi sumusunod sa basics, yung mga hindi sumusunod sa POP. We have to understand, ultimo bata, may cellphone ngayon, bawat kanto, may mga CCTV. Kaya kung may abuses na ginawa ang isang kapulisan at na-document at nag-viral ka, sorry, sigurado, you will be subjected for investigation. Number 3 of the 5 guiding principle is always choose and do what is right, even no one is watching. Integrity is not situational. It must be present in every action, even no one is watching. Because in doing what is right, definitely, you will never go wrong. Number 4, stay away from illegal activities in any form. A single wrong choice can undo years of service and sacrifice. Indirectly or indirectly, I should say. Pag sinabi natin directly, kayo na mismo yung gumagawa ng illegal. Kagaya ng pang-hold up, pang-umoto, pang-iinta, at iba pang mga illegal na pwedeng kasakutan ng isang pulis. Indirectly, nagiging protector kayo. So do away with those things. Kasi sayang ang pinaghirapan nyo. Ang hirap-hirap umalit sa PNP, ang dami nyong dapat nagpasan, ang dami nyong butas na tinaanan bago kayo nakapag-take on. Nag-exam kayo, tumakbo kayo dito, nag-medical kayo, nag-bureau kayo, nag-training ng isang taon. Tapos, magiging viral kayo, you will be subjected for investigation then. Of course,
Naka-live po yan, live.
pwede kayong mag-display. So, ingatan natin ang ating servisyo. Take good care of your service reputation. Ang pang-5 sa 5 guiding principles is, of course, no matter what is your religion, always stay close to God. Because in staying close to God, may takot ka sa Panginoon, ay itong mga bagay na nauna, itong 4 na guiding principles na to, ay hindi mo kayang gawin yung paggawa ng illegal at saka hindi paggawa ng tama. The mere fact na may takot ka sa Diyos, of course, magiging to the line ka. So always remember na itong 5 guiding principles na to, kahit na hindi na ako yung regional director nyo, ay pwede nyong gamitin throughout your police service. At the moment, lumabas kayo sa mga guiding principles na to, possibility-wise, pwede kayong mapahamak. Ang bawat pangalan ng inyong mga klase ay may dalang kahulugan at hamon. Mandasig, magpursige sa tungkulin. Mandaling sila, maging matibay at may dignidad sa bawat pagsubok. Hiraya, panatilihin ang malinaw na bisyon at dangal sa serbisyo. Sanmaliksik lahi, ipagpatuloy ang marangal na tradisyon ng pagiging pulis ng may malasakit at disiplina. So, ang inyong class name ay talagang unique at a first glance. Honestly, nalilito ako. Pwede naman yung gawing simple, pero ang dami, pero parang talagang ginawa nyo complicated. Sana, yung class name nyo ay hindi maging pa-complicated doon sa servisyo nyo. Sana, kung complicated man yung class name nyo, ang pagsiservisyo na nyo naman ay matapat at maayos at totoo sa sinumpaan nyo tungkulin. Sa inyong pagpasok bilang ganap na Police Commission Officer, Police Non-Commission Officers, alalahanin ninyo na pagiging pulis ay hindi lamang profesyon. Ito ay isang pananagutan sa bayan. Isang tungkulin na nangailangan ng tapang, malasakit, at tamang pagpapasya araw-araw. Before I end, I would like to reiterate the original plan is you will not be having a break. Wala dapat kayong break. Kasi nga, mag-Christmas at 57th anniversary ng CPP-NPA. And during times like this, na red alert tayo, ay na holiday, yun naman ay red alert tayo. Meaning, dapat andito tayo sa mga kampo o andito tayo sa mga lansanan para tayo ay nakikita ng ating mga kababayan. Don't worry, your regional director and of course, the members of the command group and other officers, wala po kaming break. So, it's not proper na during Christmas and New Year, damayan nyo kami. Habang nasa kalsada, dapat mas lalo kayong nandun. Kung yung RD nyo nag-iikot sa mga terminal, dapat kayo mismo nasa mga terminal. But since it's Christmas season, regalo namin sa inyo, we will be giving a 4 days break instead of 0 days. Huwag na kayong mamili kung kailan maging effective. Okay? Kagaya na sabi ko kanina, New Year at Christmas, andito kami. Wala kaming break. So, napaka-clear naman. Si General ang nag-iikot tapos si Patrolman naka-break. Parang, bakit, di ba? Ano sa palagay nyo? Ayaw, di ba? You decide. Break, no break. Break, okay. Para makanamin sila. So, to their loved ones, we will be giving them a 4 days break, commencing on 26, and they must report on the 30th. They will be deployed for the 14th gabi.
Yun talaga, pulis nga eh. Reklamo pa kayo. Ako nga rin, walang break.
For obvious reasons. Kaya walang break. Dapat walang break.
Dapat naintindihan nyo yun.
At break, yung hindi lang wala pong break.
Ang halaga may trabaho, may bonus, may pera. Ayun. Magreklamo.
Kasi mag-break yung
Buti nga binigyan mo.
kasalanan niya ito eh. Kaya araw. Kasi may kababayan siya doon sa sinundan. Tapos may kamag-anak. Sino yung kamag-anak nito na araw dito? Taas ako, yung dalawa. Wala. Ayun, yung kapay doon. Who are from Region 1? Region 1. Saan dami yun? Who are from La Union? Gusto niyong masay ka sa La Union? O mag-report kayo sa akin. Ha? At i-recommend ko sa tawi-tawi kayo masay. Gusto niyo ng Region 1, tatapon kayo nag-recruit? Gusto niyo ng NCRPO, so you must render minimum of 5 years. Dito sa NCR, then after 5 years, that's the time na pwede kayong mapalipat sa Region 1. Or from Region 2. Ito, marami to. Region 2. Oh, wala na. Region 3. NCR. Okay. Tondo. Tondo. Kinakabahan ako pag Tondo. So, of course, ang mga taga-Tondo kasi na pulis, mga ano to eh. Maaasahan mga to. Mga street smart. Kaya palagpakan natin sila. Pero I just hope yung pagka-street smart nyo, huwag yung gamitin sa kalokohan na. I believe lahat naman tayo ay may negative at positive traits. So, dapat ang makibabaw natin ay yung mga positive traits. At sa ganon ay palagi tayong tinitigila ng ating mga kababayan. Okay? So, dahil Christmas ngayon, after this graduation, after the announcement, give them time. to be with their loved ones. At sa mga may boyfriend, magkasarili na ng sariya sila mamaya. And you report 0800 hours tomorrow. When you render duty, 23 bukas, di ba? Please, let me sure. I am inviting everyone to spend this Christmas with me at my quarters. Di ba tayo mag-fireworks? Bawal yun, di ba? Bawal yun. Bawal. Hello again to the graduating class and to the proud parents and loved ones. Congratulations po sa inyo. Palakpakan po natin sila. Happy New Year po sa ating lahat. Magandang umaga at mabuhay po kayo.
Thank you very much, sir, for your very inspiring message to our fans. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to request everyone to please all rise and together we sing with pride and honor, the PNP here. Before we go, we would like to request our regional director together with other senior officers to indulge our graduates for one more opportunity. Thank you very much, sirs and ladies and gentlemen. That concludes the graduation ceremony of Class 2024-02. Mandasi, Mandamit Silas, Sidnat Hiraya, and Sambay Sitlahi. Lagi namin tatandaan na tayo ang mapipili para sa bagong Pilipinas. Mag-aakit sa inyo ng serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman.